morning, sir. In today's video, we'll learn about sinusoidal wave. It is characterized by sine or cosine function. And here is the graph of sinusoidal wave. Sinusoidal waves are fundamental in physics and engineering because they model many natural phenomena like sound waves and electromagnetic waves, and alternating current and electricity. Here is the formula of sinusoidal wave. For example, sine wave. To begin, let's consider the Hong Kong for observation wheel. They are circular. Let's assume rotates counterclockwise and taking around as a red square. And it takes of 20 minutes to complete one rotation. Well, if you track the motion, you just go around in the circle and end up a starting position in 20 minutes. But if you start looking at the giant wheel, front view and side view, so rotate the giant wheel towards us until it ends up looking like this. It's just look like vertical lines, so here are the two views. A and B. So we just locate the two-dimension motion. And the right view we were both vertical and horizontal component, shown red and turned in one-dimensional motion in just vertical as C in the left and view A. So we start at 0 and 5. In 5 minutes, raise the top of a wheel. In 10 minutes, you're halfway around. In 5 minutes at the bottom. And in 20 minutes, back to start or original position. On position versus time graph, the minutes mark first if the giant wheel is not rotating. No matter how much time passes, the red stay at the same position. Notice, as time passes, position stay the same, so all you get is a horizontal line, again, showing no movement. Now let's plot the red square movement when the giant wheel start rotating on the time versus position graph. For this vertical motion from the start position. From start position, in 5 minutes, you'll race on the top of giant wheel. In 10 minutes, you'll back down to start position. In 15 minutes, at the bottom of giant wheel. Finally, in 20 minutes, you're back again at the start position. Thank you and God bless. Another topic is the law of cosine and in how to use it in solving the part of triangle. So the letters that are capitalized represent the angles. The lowercase represent the side, and here is the equation according to the triangle. Side A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which equals C over sine C. So you can use the equation to find the law of sines and any missing angles or sides in a triangle. And if you come, the three angles of a triangle will always add to 180 degree. So let's work on example. Let's say we're given angle A is equal 60 degree and we're given angle B equals 70 degree and also side A equals 8. To find the angle C, we know that A plus B plus C equals 180 degree. So angle A is 60 degree and angle B is 70 degree equals 180. 70 plus C plus B. Seventy plus C equals 180. 130 plus C equals 180. 180 minus 130 equals 50 degree. So missing angle is 50 degree. Now we can use the law of sine to find the missing two sides. Side A is 8. Let's solve B. So we're gonna use this portion, the law of sine. B over sine B, A over sine A. The law of sine have three fractions, but the only use is 2 out of 3 fractions. We don't have the value of B, but we know the angle of B is 70 degree. Side A is 8. Degree sine 60 equals B sine sine B equals 8 sine 70 sine 60 degree. B equals 8.63. Side B equals 8.68. Yeah, 68. No, the angle of B is 70 degree. Side A is 8 and angle A is 60 degree. Now notice 70 degree. Find the value of B when it's cross multiply 8 sine 70 degree, which is equal to B times sine of 60. Let's divide both sides so that the value of b is equals 8.68 degree. Now, we can go ahead and calculate the value of c. So we're gonna use this equation. A over sine A, C over sine C. Side A is 8. So let's cross multiply. Let's cross multiply 8 sine 50 degrees, which equals to C sine 60 degrees. Now let's divide by both sides. Divide 60, which equals to 7.07 degree. 8 sine 50 degree divided by sine 60 degree. C sine times 60 degree divided by sine 60 degree. Cancel out. So let's try another example. So let's say angles A is 42 degrees, side A is 10, and side B is 9. A equals 10, B equals 9. A over sine A equals B over sine B. Here we have angle AB and C. Angle A is 42 and side A is 10. Side E is 10 over sine 42 degree equals 9 over sine B. Cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. So we're gonna have is 9 times sine 42 degree. 9 times sine 42 degree is equals to 6.022 equals 10 sine B equals 10 sine B. Now, in order to find angle B, let's take the inverse sine of 0.6022. So arc sine, the answer is now in order to find angle B, let's take the inverse sine of 0.6022. So arc sine 0.6022 equals sine B. Sine 0.6022. The answer is 37.03 degree. Angle B could be 180 minus 37.03 is equal to 143 degree. Answer is 37.03 degree. 180 minus 37.03 degree is equals 143 degree. So angle B is 37 degree. Now let's go ahead and find angle C. So we know that angle A plus B plus C equals 180 degree. It's just gonna be 180 minus the two angles. So let's 180 minus 42 degree minus 37 degree equals 101 degree. So now we could find last side C. Let's use this formula. A over sine A equals C over sine C. Side A is equals to 10 over sine 42 degree equals side C over sine 101 degree equals 9.8163 is equal C times sine 42 is equals C times sine 42 degree. So side C it's gonna be 9.8163 divided sine 42 degree, which is 14.67 equals 14.67 side C equals 14.67. Thank you and God bless. Side C is the longest side, so just find looking at the angle if the answer is correct. Side C is the very large angle. The smallest or shortest side is going to be cross the shortest angle. Side B is the shortest side. Let's have another example. It says angle A is 75 degree. Angle A is 75 degree. And side A is 8. Side A is 8. Side C is 9. Side C is 9. Let's start by finding angle C. Let's use this formula. Side C over sine C is equal to side A sine A. C over sine C equals A over sine A. C is 9. C is 9. Sine C equals A is 8 over sine 75 degree. So let's cross multiply. As usual, at A times sine 75 8.693 divided by 8 equals 8 sine C over 8 equals 1.089 sine C. So, to find angle C, you need to take the arc sine or inverse sine of 1.089. Now, if you type in calculator in arc sine of 1.089, it will give you a error. So let's try another angle. Angle A is 30 degree. Side A is 7. And let's say we're given side B is 8. So angle A is 30 degree. Side A is 7 and side B is 8. The first angle you need to find angle B. So let's up this equation. A over sine A over sine A equals to B over sine B. So A is 7 over sine 30 degree equals B is 8 over sine B. So we need to find angle B. Let's cross multiply 8 times of 30 degree. Eight times of 30 degree is equal to 4, equals 7 sine B. So divide 7 equals sine B. 7 equals 4 equals 7 sine B. 4 divide 7 equals sine B. So therefore, angle B is equal to arc sine 4 over 7, and that's gonna give you 34.85 degree. B arc sine 4 divide 7 equals 34.85 degree. So that's the angle B. Angle B. Another example. The area of a triangle is 200 meters squared. One side is 80 meters and another side is 60 meters. Find the third side. Area equals 1/2 times base times height equals 2 times 2000 over 80 equals 50 meters. C squared equals 40 squared plus 50 squared. C squared equals 1600 plus 2500 equals 4100. C equals square root of 4100 equals 64.03 meter. And another example, the area of a triangle is 48.21 meters squared. One side is 10 meter long and another side is 15 meter. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Area equals 0.5 times base times height. 48.21 times 2 over 10 equals 9.642 meter. C equals square root of 10 squared plus 9.642 squared equals 100 plus 92.4. Square root of 100 plus 92.4 equals square root of 192.4 equals 13.87 meters.